Today we are going to be working on Lesson 5. The objective of today's lesson is to compare numbers based on meanings of digits using less than, greater than, and equal to record the comparison. So when we're talking about comparing numbers, we use these signs. The first sign is the greater than symbol. The second is the less than symbol. And if you see an equal sign, it means that it equals the same amount. When I look at the greater than and less than symbol, I think of an alligator. An alligator wants to eat the larger number, so it's going to open up to the larger number. So for here, for example, the larger number would be on this side. The smaller number wants to eat the larger number. When we use less than, the smaller number would be on the left, and our larger number would be on the right, because the alligator mouth opens up to the larger number. So let's do an example together. We have the numbers 34 and 15. Which number is larger? If you said 34, you're correct. So we need to think of the symbol that has the alligator opening up to the larger number, 34. This shows us that 34 is greater than 15. Notice how the alligator's mouth is opening up to the larger number. In our module books, we are going to be using a place value chart in order to compare numbers. I know the directions say to use a disc, but for today's lesson, we're just going to write the digits in each one of the place values. So for example, I have 909,013. And I also have the number 90,013. And I want to figure out which number is larger. So I'm going to go and always start with my ones and fill in my number. I have a 3 in the ones, a 1 in the tens, a 0 in the hundreds, a 9 in the thousands, a 0 in the 10,000s, and a 9 in the 100,000s. My first number reads 909,013. I'm going to go under that dotted line, and I'm going to write out my second number. A 3 is in the ones, a 1 is in the tens, a 0 is in the hundreds, another 0 is in the thousands, and a 9 is in the 10,000s. Now I have both of my numbers in my place values in the correct spots. And I notice my top number goes out further. I have it in the 100,000s place, but I don't have anything here. So it shows us that this number is larger. So I need to put in the symbol that shows that my top number, or my first number, is larger than my second number. So in the space provided, the alligator is going to eat the first number. So we need to make sure that we show the symbol opening up to that side. Let's practice one more together. I have my ones, my tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, my 100,000s, and my millions. Let's see if we can get our 10,000s to work. There it goes. And we have these two numbers. Notice they're both 6-digit numbers, so we're not going to be able to automatically figure out which number is larger. So let's input our numbers in our place value chart. Our first number has a 5 in the ones, a 0 in the tens, a 0 in the hundreds, a 0 in the thousands, a 1 in the 10,000s, and a 2 in the 100,000s. Let's go to the second number. It has a 5 in the ones, a 0 in the tens, a 0 in the hundreds, a 0 in the thousands, a 2 in the 10,000s, and another 2 in the 100,000s. Both of my numbers line up. They both end in the 100,000s. So I'm not going to be able to solve it that way.